This isn't just a farming channel. This is a real-life journey. I started with 3 chickens. No money. No stable job. No farmland. Just vision, faith, and an unshakable purpose. And this channel, Busilak, is the proof that no dream is too big, no beginning too small. I'm Busilak, also known as Troy Iraq, a senior-level web and software developer. I build systems from scratch, plan, design, code, and deliver. Complex problems? They're second nature. But despite these skills, I don't earn much because I focus on helping people more than I charge. I've built hundreds of projects, capstones, theses, and systems, but still, financial freedom feels out of reach. And that's when I asked myself, if I don't change something, will I ever truly be free? On top of that, my struggle with speaking English slowly has made it hard to find international clients, even though my skills are in high demand. So, I decided to do something different. Last year, I bought one native hen, that's all I could afford. No job, no steady income, no way to buy commercial feeds. So I did what I had to do, I started a garden. I planted alugbati, kangakung, malunge, kamote tops, and added tanglad lemongrass. I told myself, if I can't afford to buy, I will grow it. Then in January this year, I bought 2 native chicks for 500 pesos, both turned out to be males. But I traded one black male for a big female. That's how I got 1 rooster and 2 hens. And that's how this journey really began. I'm not just any developer. I'm a unique blend of INTJ, advocate, and INFJ, architect. 98% intuition, 83% thinking, 89% feeling. This places me in the highest tier of abstract and visionary thinkers. I perceive patterns, future trends, and universal truths with clarity that most never achieve. I am a natural innovator, philosopher, and architect of ideas. I uniquely combine logical strategy with deep emotional wisdom, solving problems with meaning and lasting impact. I see patterns others miss. I solve problems others avoid. I finish what others only dream about. With a strong sense of structure and discipline, I bring visionary plans into concrete reality. I operate at the highest levels of productivity and purpose, far beyond the average. People with this depth of judgment and follow-through are exceptionally rare. 71% judging, I am deeply structured and focused. I don't just dream, I finish. 51% introversion, I thrive in solitude, but when the mission demands it, I lead, teach, and connect. This perfect balance gives me presence, influence, and self-mastery. 63% assertive, I possess strong self-confidence and the ability to assert my ideas and beliefs without hesitation. I stand firm in my convictions and navigate challenges with a clear sense of direction and purpose. But this journey isn't just about chickens, it's a bigger vision, a bigger purpose. This farm is a system, a strategy, a stepping stone to something far greater. I created Busilak to document my journey, every step, every challenge, every victory. Every feed I prepare. Every chick bowl. Every day I grow. This channel is more than content, it's my journal, my proof. I want to show you that even if you start with nothing, no land, no money, no resources. If you have a vision and strategy, you can build something real. One day, people will look back and say, he really started from just 3 chickens. This is just the beginning. When this native chicken farm succeeds, I will reinvest. I'll expand into real estate, big companies, and systems that generate cash flow. I'll use my IT skills to automate, scale, and dominate with precision and purpose. I'm not building for survival, I'm building a legacy. I can already see my future, not just in wealth, but in freedom. If you think it's impossible to start with nothing, watch me. Subscribe to Busilak. This channel will prove what vision, discipline, and heart can do. Because I'm not here to fit in. I'm here to build an empire, one chicken at a time. See you in the next video. Hope you subscribe, God bless, and thank you.